Okay guys, this is the last and final coating after using a heat gun to quick dry this project. See, it's done. Okay, for the second project, so I use this for quick drying. High temperature and low temperature. Hot mother. Slight final coating only just to finish this portion of this detail. Okay. I repeat again because the primer is not totally dry, so we need to repeat again the gray primer. Okay. To make sure it's totally dry, the primer. Okay. So final coating maybe today or tomorrow, just to make sure it's already no problem. Instead, we repeat again to some other day to finish this portion for now. Okay. So this is the continuation of the primer and the last final coating. Okay. So it's easy to dry. You can take a couple of hours. guys. Uy! One pump. Easy to repair, easy to fix. Okay. So that's it for now. We need to proper drying before we paint the first and final coating repaint. Hopefully today and tomorrow, because I make more some vlogs for today another project. Okay, see you guys, and hopefully continue again by tomorrow or today. It depends situation, because a lot of content in my blog channel, YouTube channel. So let's see if continuing this video until later. Okay, as you can see, the primer from I use before I hardener and primer with using fiber. Okay, so become stronger and tight. Too much strong, no rush issue. Okay, no dent. So that's the most important. No big money issue. Save your money. Okay, no need to go to shop waiting for how many days, and then you pay a thousand and hundreds of bills. So that's all I give to you, a tips and share my experience, basic my experience and knowledge from the motor company motors before. So this is now. Okay, we continuation later after dry this. I hope you like it, this video, and please subscribe and click the button notification bell for more videos upcoming. Okay, see you guys again. So hoping you like it, this video and vlog for now, and hopefully you see you again tomorrow. Okay.